Good afternoon, everyone. It's been a while. I came to Switzerland from the trip to Korea. It's been 2 weeks, and I have been sick, and I had a long break now. And the first video I make after I moved to the new flat, it's today. So, what will be the video about today? I'm going to cook fish. This fish's name is Royal Dorade. It's grown in Mediterranean Baltic Sea, and it has a lot of omega-3 and very healthy fish. It's first time for me to cook this fish, but I'm going to use my mother's recipe and use some Korean sauce. It's actually very simple. So I prepare some ingredients, all the vegetables here, and basically I put all the vegetables on the bottom, and I add some water, and then on top of the fish I add some spices and let it just boil and steam in this pot. So first thing first, so I put this onion that I chopped, and I still already started cooking, so I add some water. So on the bottom is vegetables, and vegetables as usual, onion, garlic and pepper, and then I put some this corn, and then chili, and then the spring onion, and then some other salad. So I basically put everything here. So then it will be boiling under the bottom, and then the water is boiling under the bottom. So the water is steamed up. Then it will steam this fish, and so basically you put on top of it. I think it seems like it's a bit small. I'm going to cut a little bit on the tail so I get some space. So it's whole fish I'm going to use. I mean, of course I'm going to eat only the meat. This is white meat, but then all the nutritions. The nutrients sit in the skin, so I will use it. I'm going to add more water. So 1/3 of this casserole is full of water, and I will let it steam a little bit. But then after a while, I will add this rice wine, Korean rice wine, and this will take away some fishy smell. I think I will do it already now. Already spray over the fish. And then I'm going to let it steam a little bit. Yeah, it's really exciting to move to a new place. It's a brand new apartment, everything. But moving itself is very stressful moment. And I think it will take time for me to settle in the new place. I still have my old stuff in my old apartment, so there are a lot of things to be done before I feel like I can take it easy and relax. Yeah, now I can see the water is boiling under, but there is no direct contact the water to the fish. So basically the fish is steamed. But what is good about this, all the flavor from garlic, onion, all the salad, chili, it will just be absorbed in the fish. So usually it takes about up to 20 minutes to have this fish ready, and I will not bore you to the end. So I'm going to explain a little bit what I'm planning to do. Is that so all the salad on the bottom, all the vegetable things on the bottom, and water, and it's steaming up, and I added already the rice wine to take away the fish smell and taste, so it becomes quite neutral. And then what I'm going to do, this is sun-dried chili pepper, and I'm going to hold this into this fish, and also put this chili paste. So one chili powder, pepper powder, and then chili paste. Now it's becomes a bit stew. So it's like a long boiling for now. And this stewed fish, I'm going to eat together with the pasta today, but you can also have with the potato or rice as well. Yeah, you just boil it until it's done, basically. Very simple and easy. I'm going to wait using this soy sauce. I'm going to taste a little bit. If it doesn't taste much, I will add this soy sauce. So, royal dorade stew. This is first we are cooking in this new plate. With that, I wish you a fantastic Monday. Bye!